back with us again is Shrook, the makeup artist. Hi.
Hello.
Join us. So as you can see, we did like the little glitter eyeliner previously, and now we're going to carry on this kind of 90s theme by bringing you the lipstick tutorial with some of the more brown beigey shades. So, which one are you going to be using today?
I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty lip liner in Flirt because it's kind of a brown tone, and we want to get that 90s look. And I'm going to go in with the liquid lipstick by Fenty Beauty in the color Uncuffed.
Perfect. So we're both actually going to be doing the Fenty one, but I'm going to go for a slightly lighter shade. So this one is Unbuttoned. And before it, I'm going to line my lips with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, which is one of the best sellers. It's
Love
so
it.
Nice. Like,
yes.
Using it.
Yeah.
So how do we, in terms of prepping the lips, are you the type of girl who goes for like, you know, the foundation on the lips, you know how the...
No.
Okay, all right. So how do you
I just like
them?
my lips clean,
okay.
basically. If I have to scrub it, I scrub it if it's dry. But other than that, I just moisturize it. I actually did that a while ago, and I just basically start by lining my lips.
Okay, great. So with the lining...
There's a trick there.
Okay, right.
You know how when you overline your lips, it just sort of looks too bad or it looks too overlined? We don't want to do that.
Right.
So it's kind of the 90s renovated.
Right,
So
okay.
this is a trick that I do.
All right.
Are you ready?
Okay.
This is why I'm telling you, just
Okay.
any will do. So you just basically put it like this.
I have to... Oh.
It's really helpful,
Okay,
like just watch me do it. So basically what it does is it stretches your lips.
Right.
And you see the line perfectly, like the difference.
You can really follow it.
Yeah, and you can follow it. After that, you can go on and just, you know, change the shape if you want to, but you have the line there already.
That's such a good trick because, you know, sometimes when you have your lip liner, it kind of gets stuck sometimes. And then you kind of end up kind of going a little bit over.
Exactly.
I'm going to do this.
And then you just
I really like the word of looking here.
connect the dots.
And do you tend to just fill in the lips completely with the liner?
Sometimes, but since we're going for the brown outer look, so I don't want to like create the whole lip the same color. I want it to be distinct. And then I just go in with my color.
So you start in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I blend it out.
Okay. Quite different, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you actually don't need to like...
You don't have to go in again and put on more product.
Yeah.
You just tap it basically and your finger just mixes in the product with the edges. So it looks more natural.
And then kind of like dries into the lips rather than
exactly,
just
yeah.
on top.
So it doesn't run as well.
Yeah. And then obviously you can maybe go in with like slightly darker color if you want to do something for the evening.
Exactly.
Okay. And in terms of keeping the lipstick on, is it the case of reapplying or do you like to put something on top?
Sometimes I do put loose powder. That's another trick that I use. So basically I just take a tissue while it's wet, not when it's dry, of course. So I put the tissue over my lip and then with a little loose powder, I tap it on the tissue on my lips. So basically the product goes between the tissues onto the lips.
Yeah.
And then it just sets in the first layer of your lipstick. And then you go in with the second layer and then you're done. It's set for like the whole day. Unless, you know, you're the type of person who bites her lips. But other than that, try not to bite your lips.
And here you have a fresh take on the 90s lip. Thank you so much for joining us and taking
I had so much fun. I hope you guys like love the tricks and you know they're very
Absolutely.
easy.
I'm gonna be being at home with like a pencil in my mouth doing a lip liner.
Just make sure you're alone so that no one finds out like what you're doing. It's very creepy if someone doesn't know what you're doing.
Exactly, like what's going on? So thank you so much for watching and please join us again for the next episode.